All right, guys, so I had received a couple of questions about compositions of functions, this particular example. When you compose a function into another, all you do is substitute the entire function on the right into the function that's on the left. So I have f of x, or f of h of x. This right here is my right function. This will be my left. Okay. And again, all I'm going to do is plug in h of x, so 3x plus 3, everywhere I see an x in f of x. So it'll be, I see an x, so it will be 3x plus 3. Me personally, whenever I plug things in or I use substitution, I like to put parentheses around it. Squared minus 4. And from here, it's just PEMDAS. I prefer the box method when multiplying polynomials or expressions. It keeps everything organized. And the further you go in math, the more organized you are, the more success you'll have. And then we combine like terms. So 3x plus 3 squared is this. All right. So now I just don't need to forget to bring down that 4. So it'll be 9x squared plus 18x plus 9 minus 4. And again, we will simplify by combining like terms. So what did I want? F of h of x is equal to this. Hopefully, and it says an answer choice. And if I look, it is D. All right. So you can do it that way. Now, say you mess up here, and honestly, 3x plus 3 squared is the hardest part of this problem, because what the test makers are going to expect a lot of people to do is simply have 9x squared plus 9 minus 4 and get 9x squared minus 5. Okay. And then so you do all of the work that you think is correct, and then you get somewhere and you don't see your answer choice, and then you start panicking. All right. So what I like to do with these, so if you noticed, composition of functions is in the lesson function operations, again, because all I'm essentially doing is just plugging in a function into another function. So any question that involves function operations, whether it be addition, subtraction, multiplying, or dividing functions, you type what they give you and what they want you to do. So f of x, people ask me, is it important that I type f of x? Absolutely. They give this to you in a problem for a reason. So I have the first function. I have h of x. All right. I don't want this by itself. Okay. I don't want f of x. I don't want h of x. So I'm going to hide it. What I want, however, is f of h of x. And I get this blue graph. So that's what I want. Now, again, because it's a type of function operation, you can type the functions they give you, hide them because they want you to perform an operation on them. Once you perform the operation, you should have another function, which is your end resulting graph. And then you just check your answer choices that they give you. 12x squared plus 8x plus 5. And your correct answer will give you graphs that overlap or produce the same exact graph, only resulting in 1. And so the blue and the purple, they intersect, but they don't overlap. They don't cover each other up, so I'm going to get rid of it. I'm then going to type in answer choice B, so 16x squared minus 36x plus 20. And again, blue and black, they intersect, but the black does not cover the blue, so it's not what I want. I think I left off 3x squared. Oops. 3x squared minus 9. Again, they intersect, but it does not cover. And then the answer we got was 9x squared plus 18x minus, whoops. Again, make sure you type it correctly. And you can see the blue and the red overlap each other, producing only one graph. So that's how I like to do it, because you can make the mistake here, right? You can misinterpret what this squared or how you square this. If you mess up there, your concept of plugging the function into the other function was correct, but you messed up algebraically. And honestly, that's something else that makes the further you go in a math class hard, is just the more steps there are to complete a problem. Well, the more steps you try and take, the more likely you are to make a mistake. Not because you're bad, just because of a sign error or something of that nature. Okay, and that's all it takes to be wrong in math. So hope this helped. If I need to do another one or try and explain it a little bit better, just let me know.